3 at Lakeville. The National Weather Service in the Twin Cities has issued a tornado warning for Southeastern Dakota County, Northeastern Rice County, until 5:45 p.m. At 5:15 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Northfield, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Expected hazards include tornado. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This tornadic thunderstorm will remain over mainly rural areas of southeastern Dakota and northeastern Rice counties, including the following locations: Vermilion, Hampton, Randolph, and New Trier. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.